Futuristic sage Swami Vivekananda had said, "Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man." Our vision for change is in alignment with the ethos of Swamiji. We at Sabre are firm believers in the saying, "Be the change you want to see in this world." Before rolling out anything to students, we ensure that our educators are first abreast with the change, as it is we who are the change agents, and the students will imbibe with acceptance when they see us transformed. Status quo is passé. Gone are the days of sticking to one system and reiterating with that. Wherever necessary, we reboot and rechart our trajectory, be it adoption, adaptation of processes, technology, or the way we navigate a VUCA world. This is where Microsoft comes into play, and I'm very excited about the collaboration with Microsoft. Educators at my school have blended various tools to conduct assessments and bring in collaboration as well. Teachers have also started creating presentations using Sway and OneNote as innovative teaching aids. Using assignments in teams, students learn to use real-time data to reflect on their performance and move their learning forward, either to meet grade level expectations or challenge themselves to go beyond. Students can immediately ask for one-spot clarification if they do not understand something. With our collaboration with Microsoft, we hope to inspire and empower school educators with apt tools to integrate within curriculum, provide professional development that connects technology with learning, as well as provide ready access to a full suite of state-of-the-art products and tools. We also will educate parents along with students, as a solid education program is built by better preparing its students to be successful community members and ardent users of technology. When we use or teach technology as a separate content area, it becomes another one of those things added to an already full plate. At our school, technology is integrated into our classrooms. It acts as a tool to strengthen our vision. I would like to add here, over 90% educators of Sabre are MIEs, and quite a few have embarked upon their journey to become MIEs. As next steps, I intend to concentrate on a few focus areas, and they are: first, VR, AR, and MR. Second is artificial intelligence, which is known as AI, integrated with robotics and data science. Third, blockchain. And fourth is bioengineering. We are already helping all the teachers use and integrate technology in their classrooms, as well as look into the seamless transition from an already existing platform to Microsoft platform. You are getting Office 365 accounts set up for the entire organization by taking up the Microsoft School Aspire program. We are also figuring out ways to be more productive using more data, more information, and better tools and policies, and try to bring out increased efficiencies. Before I conclude, let me reiterate, as a leader, I would like to lead the change with a difference and not just use technology for the heck of it.